Hi, today I'm gonna try the kit of Wilko Sauvignon Blanc. Over here it says 21 days to make 6 bottles of wine. Let's have a look. Yep, let's open, let's see what's inside. Okay, there are some instruction and a few sachets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll see in a minute what they are. Okay. The instruction says over here. Okay, empty the container of the can into a sterilized glass demijohn. Well, we got a plastic one. Then add 1.8 liters of cold water and 450 grams of brewing sugars, but I'm gonna use caster sugar, and then mix the demijohn carefully, I guess, to dissolve the sugar. Okay, let's start. Okay, all these items have been sterilized and the demijohn as well. Let's open the container. Okay. Inside we got some concentrate grape juice, Sauvignon Blanc, and we're gonna add it to the demijohn. There's a bit left over. Don't lose any of the juice. Okay, after that we need to add 1.8 liters of sterilized cold water. I'm going to use tap water. This is a Pyrex of half liter, so we need 3 of these full. Okay, then 300 mils, make 1.8. Okay. After that, we need to add the 450 grams of sugar, brewing sugar. I've got caster sugar. I already measured it. It's 450 grams exactly. And we add it to the demijohn. Okay, while this sugar is going down, let's see what we gotta do next. Then we need to add the wine yeast and the nutrient. It says sachet A and sachet B. So this one is E. Put it on the side. You got the wine yeast A, and B is the wine. Is the nutrient. It will help with the fermentation. And the C is a stabilizer. We need to add it later on. once the fermentation has been completed. Okay, sugar is most it was wet, so that's why the sugars tend to stuck a little bit on the surface. Almost there. Okay, let's take something to help. Okay, this one has been sterilized as well. So probably the whole stuck. Okay. Let's do like this. Okay, I think I managed to, yeah. So, if you have the sugar, remember to dry it, otherwise the sugar can get stuck. It's one thing that I learned just now. Okay, then we have to add the yeast. And the nutrients. Give a little bit of shaking. Dissolve the sugar, the yeast, and the nutrients. Okay. Then we need to leave it for about 3 days in a warm place in order that the primer fermentation will start. And then we need to add more water and the sachet C. Okay, I'll see you in 3 days time to see how the fermentation has been working on this one. Thanks for watching. Hi, welcome back. We are testing the white wine Wilko wine kit, and we can see, we're gonna check now if we can filter the wine. What we need to do, this one has been sterilized. Just pour a sample, a little bit in here. Then you need an hydrometer. Yeah, as you can see, it went right down. So this stage, if you can see, he has to get to the yellow bit here. That means that the sugar has turned into alcohol, all of it. You can put this one back. And now we need to add the sachet C and sachet E. You can use a little coffee cup. Just put the content in the cup. Okay, add a little bit of cold water, shake it, and add it to the wine. Now we need to add sachet E. You can use the same cup as long as we're sterilized. Okay, same thing, add a little bit of water, mix, shake it a bit. Okay, pour it to the wine. Put the top back, and we will check in a week to 10 days if the wine has filtered. It should be completely clear, crystal clear. Hello, we are at the final stage of the wine making, Wilko. We need to siphon the wine from the filtered demijohn of 5 liters to an empty one. This one has been sterilized. This is the siphon, it's been sterilized as well. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to put siphon inside. Just be careful not to touch the bottom of the demijohn. Is where you got the sediment, where you got the sediment of the wine. If you touch it, they will spoil the wine. They will spoil, you know, the transparency of the wine. So I need to suck it in the tube. And then transfer it. I managed to taste the wine right now during the sucking process, and it tastes quite good. Okay, the wine has been filtered. Now we have to do the very hard bit, is to taste the wine to see if it's good or not. Okay, let's transfer the wine in the wine container, just a little bit. Okay, it does look good to me. It is room temperature. It will be better because it's a white wine, probably cold around 8 to 9 degrees centigrade. 8 9 degrees. Okay. Is a quite deep in yellow. It's quite transparent, so it means the filtration was good. Okay. Excellent. Tiny sweet, citric. I'm quite happy. Yeah, I will give wine kit Wilko a 8. Thanks for watching.